What's up, guys? Okay, today's video is for entertainment purposes only, but I have the 3 top stocks to buy today, okay? They're gonna have insane growth over the next 2 to 3 years from where they are today. I own these stocks. I'm looking to buy more of these stocks. I want you to stick around. I think you're gonna like what I have to say. Welcome back. Your time is valuable, so I'm gonna give you straight facts, no fluff. We only make money on this channel, okay? You can start off by getting your 4 free stocks with Webull. Once you deposit your first $100, you will receive 4 free stocks valued anywhere from $8 to $1,600 per stock. The link is in the description, and when you sign up, I also will get a free stock, which will help support the channel. I will also put my Robinhood and Coinbase link in the description as well. They too give away incentives for signing up. Now let's get into the video. We're talking 3 huge growth stocks to buy now. Number 1, DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. They originally started out as a SPAC. SPAC stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Company. Basically a blank check company looking for a unicorn to partner up with and bring to the market faster than a traditional IPO. DraftKings IPO'd on April 24th, 2020 at a price of $20. For those that don't know, DraftKings is a digital sports entertainment and gaming company. The company provides users with daily fantasy sports, sports betting, and iGaming opportunities. So basically, online sports betting and online casino gambling. 24 analysts are saying DraftKings' 12-month medium target would be $60 and their high target would be $100. So you could potentially double your money within 12 months. I found this online from walletinvestor.com that DraftKings' 5-year forecast would be $235. Here's a graph showing their forecast projections. They definitely have been impacted by the Rona. Sports have been put on hold, but now that there's a vaccine out, it should slowly start to bounce back. Here's the top 10 owners of DraftKings, as well as the top 10 ETF holdings. I see Vanguard Group on there several times. Disney owns millions of shares of DraftKings. Michael Jordan has joined the DraftKings Special Advisory to the board. George Soros has a $66 million stake in DraftKings. They are now starting drone race betting. Here's a lineup of some sports that you can bet on with DraftKings. As more states start to legalize sports betting, not to mention the backing that DraftKings has with Disney and Michael Jordan, as well as the investors George Soros, the Vanguard Group. Once the vaccine is released and we get through this Rona, I believe this stock is just going to take off year after year. Number 2, Nano Dimension, ticker symbol NNDM. Nano Dimensions is an Israeli-based 3D printing technology company. The company targets a range of industries and is a disruptive company. The sectors include consumer electronics, medical devices and defense, aerospace, automotive, Internet of Things, and telecom. On January 20th, Nano Dimension appointed Dr. Eli David to the board of directors. Dr. Eli David is a world-renowned AI expert. Now let's cover the top 10 investors in NNNDM. Do you see ARK Invest on there multiple times with different ETFs? For those that don't know, ARK Invest is ran by Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood is actually starting a new aerospace ETF called ARKX. I believe she will be putting NNDM in that portfolio. Remember, one of Nano's sectors is aerospace. Now I'm not saying because she is starting a space ETF and that company is working in aerospace that she is going to buy because of that. If you look at how she currently has it in multiple ETFs already, which makes me believe that she will definitely be putting it in ARKX portfolio. I believe that we will see exponential growth with the 3D sector emerging, as well as aerospace and technology in general. Listen to Cathie Woods herself.
3D printing is a big part of that fund. So you'll have Stratasys in there, Proto Labs, which is a quick turn manufacturing company, which also is in the 3D printing space, as well as Materialize, which is software in the 3D printing space. 3D printing has been held back by autos in particular and now aerospace, but we think crisis creates opportunity and that that it is going to accelerate the demand for 3D printing.
How is it changing industry? Is it really going to break through now?
Yes, it is. And you asked where it is. It's in the valley of despair. Many stocks are down 80 to 90% from their highs because their focus was on the consumer space and not on the industrial space. Aerospace, aerospace companies like Boeing and Airbus, their gross margins are in the 15 to 20% range. 3D printing, now that the FAA is approving it, 3D printing can cut those costs by up to 90%, as well as lower the weight and form factors of the various parts in engines and shrink the number of parts. So aerospace, we think, given the turmoil and trouble it's in right now, it is going to seek out even more aggressively some of these new technologies that are going to help it get back to profitability. The other area that 3D printing has changed completely is in the medical space, hearing aids. I think 95% of all hearing aids in the world are 3D printed. Well, there are many medical many medical applications, ultimately hips and knees and, that are going to submit to 3D printing because 3D printing allows for such incredible customization. So it's perfect for the high value medical space, for aerospace and autos. And, autos and aerospace in real trouble. They are going to be turning to new technologies that are going to help them lower their costs, lower the fuel consumption in terms of weight, and ultimately create different form factors. When we go autonomous, we're going to see that some of us might want to take an autonomous vehicle from New York to Boston and be able to sleep in it, whereas others just want to get across town, and it can be much smaller, or across campus, it can be much smaller. So we think that entire autos ultimately will be 3D printed.
Oh, hey, if you guys are getting any value out of this, make sure you smash the like button. Okay, now let's get into number 3, baby. Number 3, Pacific Bioscience, ticker symbol PACB. Pacific Bioscience designs, develops, and manufactures sequence systems to help scientists resolve genetically complex problems. Kathy Woods, again with ARK Invest, has ARK-G, Genomics Revolution ETF. She says that the next coming revolution is genomics, which could scale up to be a $2 trillion markup opportunity. PACB is the 3rd largest holding in the ARK-G portfolio. She also has PACB in the ARK-K portfolio. ARK-G is the top performing ETF that Kathy Woods runs. I'm super bullish on this stock, and I feel like it could be the Tesla of genomics stocks. If you look at how many institutions own the stock, it's crazy. 81% is institutionally owned. What do they know that we don't know? So comment below if you guys own any of these stocks or if they're on your watch list. I appreciate you checking out the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification so you can become a part of the family, and my links are in the description, so make sure you check those out, all right? I'll see you next week.